30, it's going 100, 103.
Adam 18 around 1024.
You have traffic?
Ah, shit. Adam 18 around 1024.
Adam 18, go ahead.
30 West, 136. It's a Black Dog Charger, Arkansas. Adam Sam, Adam Boy, William Paul, ASA, BWP. Correction, it's red.
$10.52 expires this month. Insurance confirmed.
CFS received. Put it in park. $19 or $16, are you close?
I'm 19. Are you still rolling, or is he? What?
We're going like 5 miles an hour on the shoulder. And he just keeps on going up a little bit.
I'm coming from university.
Give me the nap.
River Rock Troop A at 1063 for Adam 18, 1037.
Speeds are about 15 on the shoulder. Slowly inching up to the 65th exit.
Slowly approaching 65th Street exit.
Pull over now. Pull over now. Pull over now. Speeds are about 35 going to 65th.
Speeds are around 35.
I'm going to see what he does once we get up to the exit.
I'm taking 65th.
We're coming up to the exit now. Alright, we're taking the exit. coming up to the intersection. If he doesn't pull into this gas station, I'll TVI. Alright, we're pulling in the shell. Felon takedown. Hey! Show your hands! Show your hands! Both hands! Both hands out the window! 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 Get in the car! Come on! Alright, open the door from the outside. 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 Show me your hands. Get your damn hands out the window. Both hands out the window. Both hands out the window. This is not difficult. Now I'm gonna back up. Both hands out the window.
Is anybody else in there that can see?
I can't see. Open the door from the outside and step out. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Hands up and step out. Both hands up. Both hands up and step out.
Show your hands! Quick, Robin!
Hey!
Shut the fuck up and get out!
Hey, get out the car!
Shut the fuck up and get out! You got 3 seconds, you're gonna get shot with the beanbag!
Get out the car! Put both hands up! Both hands up! Close the door. Put both hands up.
Quit racing!
Quit racing! Hey! Back up!
Get your hands up!
Back up to the sound of my voice! Back up! Turn around! Hey! Keep both hands up! Both hands up!
Put him up! Shut the fuck up! Put him up! Turn around! Turn around!
Dude, you are gonna get tased. And you've felt this before, I know it.
My wife won't phone. I'm still.
Alright, cool.
I'm down.
Back up, back up,
Okay, me folks.
back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up. Get on your knees. On your knees. On your knees. On your knees.
Come here, bitch.
Get on your damn knees, motherfucker. Stupid bitch. Get your hands behind your back now. Quit resisting.
Put him on my hands, makes you feel it, man. I jumped on criminal. But from
Got one.
man, my people don't.
Shut the fuck up. Alright, clear that car. Clear the car.
Alright, I did. It's clear.
Alright, cool. You should know better. You know better. Of course. Of course.
My people don't fuck with me.
Shut the fuck up.
I know that. Man, tripping.
Yeah, now you're definitely going back to prison.
Come on, boy.
You already know.
You're alive. Play this fuck, man.
1864.
Teeth!
458.
Like that. Where's you get those points?
Can't
What?
understand what you're saying.
What a freaking idiot. I already done this.
Same one, man. You didn't know I got clairvoyant.
What?
And I ain't got no problem with you no more. I ain't
You
got
don't?
no problem with you. Hell no.
Alright.
We been let that go.
Alright.
My lawyer
Well,
told
get up. Get up.
Damn, let
Get up. Come on.
Come here. Tell me no call no problem with you. Yeah, dude.
buddy?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm stop and restart.
Also, Adam Sam, Adam Boy, William Paul, ASA, BWP.